Welcome back to the Little Dolphin Swim Academy. My name is Chuck Warner, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about the Goldfish class that your child is enrolled in. This is the very beginning of a group class at LDSA where 2-year-olds are able to be in a class with a teacher and other students. And that alone, of being in a classroom setting where they need to listen to instructions, where they need to listen to a coach, where they've got classmates, is a wonderful social experience that may be one of the first your child has ever had. So as a mom or dad, the opportunity to encourage, support, and guide your child as becoming a student is something that may help them a lot when they get into school. There was actually a study done in Australia at the Griffith Institute on kids that learned how to swim, kids that started learning how to swim in a classroom setting early on, and they studied them for many years afterwards and found they were much better in many of the parts of being a student in their academic life because of this discipline they developed by being a student early in their swim class. We're going to be teaching your child how to go underwater, hold their breath, so they can control their air, they can blow out comfortably, bubbles underwater, they can come up, take a breath in. We're going to teach them how to float, which means they've got to relax. And most of your kids at 2 years old will be so relaxed, they actually could be viewed more as a frog, wanting to jump off the side and get into the water whenever they can. And this is a wonderful time and a great time to learn how to swim, but it's also a scary time and a time that parents need to be on their toes as a supervisor anytime, anywhere they're near water. Crucial for you to do that. Don't depend on anyone else because your guy may see a toy, they may just see the sun flashing off the water and they want to go. And they don't know that there's a potential for a bad experience if they do that. So if we can take advantage of this to learn how to swim more quickly, we want to do that. Float, then we'll learn propulsion after floating. And if we can get far enough, we actually will learn to roll on their back, roll on their side to breathe, and do backstroke as well. Enjoy a wonderful experience with us, with these guys. It's so great that you actually can bring them to class and have a 30-minute break from your normal day while someone else takes over teaching them. And I'm sure you enjoy that part very, very much. I would invite you to get to know the other parents that are also here, and maybe there's a chance to go out for coffee or lunch or a snack or something with one of the other students and develop more of a social experience than just the learning how to swim experience. If you have questions, there is always a supervisor around the pool deck with a collared shirt on. If you have a more difficult question, you can always email us at info@swimldsa.com. Thank you for being a part of the Little Dolphin Swim Academy. We love what we do, and we love doing it with you.